viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about Klay network, and today we are going to add Klay network in our Tokenpocket wallet. Yes, you can easily add customize RPC, or you can add any network, any blockchain in your Tokenpocket wallet, and you can easily use. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. We already discuss about Klaytn or Klay. We have already add Klay blockchain in our MetaMask wallet, but today we are going to add in Tokenpocket wallet. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can also get same information in Urdu language. Then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here I have already put all information in my notepad file. If you need to add Klaytn network in your Tokenpocket wallet, you must have this information. So you can write at your notepad, then you can easily add. So first of all, I'm going to log in my account. I'm going to enter my password here and click on unlock. Now my wallet is going to open because I have entered my password here. Let's take some time. I think my internet is slow, so that take some time for the login. Still going to again login and try to open my wallet. Let's close and again click on Tokenpocket. Now you can see here the wallet is open in front of me. First I am going to expand this view, then you can easily see in the all setting on this wallet. You can see here viewers, by default there's some selected Ethereum mainnet. If you need to add new custom blockchain on this wallet, so you can see here there is option is available Ethereum or network area. And if you need to add any new blockchain, so you can use custom RPC. Just simple click on it. Then you need to put here the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer. So I have already all information in my notepad file. Before going to add this network, so we will check the rank of Klaytn or Klay in our CoinMarketCap website. Now CoinMarket website is open in front of me, and this time Bitcoin price is almost $29,000. And if we need to check the Klaytn, the rank of in top 100 cryptocurrency, so you can see here the 46 number this time rank, and this time price is 40 cent only. And now you can see here 40 cent. And if we need to check the price graph of this wallet, so click on all. Now the token launch on 10 cent and all-time high almost $4 plus, but today price is 40 cents. And you can also trade this token on these exchanges like Binance, Bithumb, Coino, but I'm not giving you any financial advice. You want to buy or not, it's depend on you. And you can also visit the official website. This token is Metaverse token, and this is official website. Click on it. Now you can see the official website open in front of me. The Metaverse blockchain for all Klaytn is an open source public blockchain for all who wish to build, work or play in the metaverse. And get ready for Klaytn 2.0, entertainment and game you love. So you can see here, you just visit this website and get more information about metaverse token, metaverse project. You can see here. So now we are going to add this token on our Tokenpocket wallet. Again open. Now you can see here there is option is available, network name. So network name is Klaytn mainnet. Just simple copy and paste here. Now RPC URL, chain ID, and now next is Klay. Chain ID is I think enter wrong, so I will again put chain ID. And now block explorer, copy and paste here. I have all information put in these tab, but my block chain ID is wrong, so that I am going to change 8217. Just enter put here 8217, and after that simple click on add network. When you click add network, then the Klaytn network will be add in your Tokenpocket wallet. If I click on network area, you can see here Ethereum, BNB, OK Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, KCC, BTTC, GT or Klaytn. Yes, you can see here the Klaytn successfully we have add on our MetaMask on our Tokenpocket wallet. You can easily use for long term, and you can save your phrases. Before going to deposit any amount on this wallet, you must take the backup of your recovery phrases. I already gave to information about how to get the backup of your recovery phrases. Simple click on three dot and click on arrow, and then you can see here export recovery phrases. Just simple enter your password here, like me. I'm going to password confirm, and now the recovery phrases will be shown front of you. After click all options, now you can see here, this is my recovery phrases, my wallet. Please keep in your mind, don't use this recovery phrases for your personal use, because this video is only for demonstration purpose, not used for personal. If you lost your fund, so I'm not responsible for this mistake. Okay, so guys, I hope you probably understand how can you add any network or any blockchain in your Tokenpocket wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in English language, Urdu language, sorry, you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And you can also send to me mail if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key on my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.